Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. Less than 2 weeks remained before departure. Our friend Grisha stepped in to help. Huge thanks to him for both the build and the filming. We continue assembling the wall frame of the van.
Ну, ничего себе. Ну, как-то больно неожиданно хорошо. Как мы так мерили, что там полсантиметра не доставало?
У нас есть один человек, который занимается замерами.
Нет, там показало...
Всегда не совпадает.
А у нас есть еще один человек, который постоянно режет.
Режет. Что положил ты сюда?
Чего? Нормально.
А, ты вижу, бетон этот залил.
Я залил. Он держит же крышу, держит. Ты сказал, что подходит.
To hold the wall in place, we temporarily secured the seam with tape. Next, we needed to form a metal curve. To do that, we made a series of small cuts along the band. Then we shaped it using a template.
Больше точно не надо. А меньше уже нельзя. Поэтому сойдет.
Finally, the back wall is holding in place. We marked where the metal profiles would go, where additional reinforcement was needed, and where the bike rack would be mounted. Meanwhile, we moved onto the floor. We improved our approach and decided to make the lower outer layer from metal sheets. Next, we had to deal with the seam between the walls and the roof. First, we sealed it with roofing tape. Then, we cut stripes from bicycle tires and glued them over the seam. Finally, we reinstalled the metal profiles that originally reinforced the corners.